Komikoro ase kaunti ya Nyamira bako ragwa nomo MCA Bwirigoma omoske Nyambega Gisesa nolia abokera okorokwa na bande negati abali bagura negesire kirichiko abo asenseme yo naritko lyarero ebikaro bya bene bikaransa ko ligerelia emba yabo chinga kibabwate ebikaro bya bunge mashinani bno mosekito Fatgad Gisemba agotomanya
amabaga yaba MCA ikomi be kaunti ya Nyamira nigo arariwe ko babusa maiga yabo ko bunari chiko ryo gutaikirana ase bikaro bitano na bitatu bye bunge eyo.
12 members are state officers expected to be aware of the legal provisions of the law and expected to uphold the constitution and all other relevant laws. As state officers, they all pledge Chapter 6 of the Constitution and the Leadership and Integrity Act.
Aba MCA abaiga ngamo nomo MCA Origoma Nyambega Gisesa nabaigo omo MCA Obokeira Joel Ombongi aba MCA bande abuo bachorire korwase byama ao ngamo na Jeria Nyakangi Petris Onyancha Edina Obara Jendros na Fula Nyakundi Lydia Musiere Zibora Matundra Amonere Matamarwa.
The effects of Article 194(1)(p) of the Constitution of Kenya 2010 will take place on the following. The Honorable Nyangao Joel Ombongi, Okira Ward, Honorable Mama Mala Kerugo, Special Elect, Honorable Abere Erita Sawe, Special Elect,
Aiga nigo monogeri kwe bunge ya Nyamira omusketadias Nyabaro arwa ogochi kabuna wetrase abisi yomokarani bwe bunge eyo asereta Duke Onyari kubatrana ni abisi ya Sergeant Atam kuikirania ayatigarete.
Members, and I direct that the office of the clerk and the office of the Sergeant Atam to ensure the necessary arrangements are made to ensure that the honorable members are given the necessary assistance.
Else moyaye omo MCA omagwawa omoske Abel Mukaya Muse nigo aiwa egesusuro kyo gutaikirana ase bikaro bitano na bibere bebunge ya Nyamira naboigo omo MCA bwe ward ya Itibo Lame Kisukweya Onyancha ose enana nigo aiwa egesusuro kyo gutaikirana ase bikaro ikomi na bitano na kemo ase bunge eyo.
Honorable Abel Muse is suspended from the County Assembly plenary committees and the committee sittings for 7 sittings. Honourable members, the effect, Section 17(3)(e), 1 Honourable Onyanja Lamek Square, that he shall be suspended from the County Assembly sittings for 16 sittings.
Kurase ensemo yaye omo MCA Obokeira Joel Ombongi naboigo omo MCA Omawawa Abel Mukaya nigo bakwana ajaiga.
Honorable Speaker, I would just want to note that if this report was to be adopted as it is, that in the Constitution Article 171, that the House cannot run with more than 2/3 of one gender. It means after this, if at all it stands like that, then this House ceases to transact business because it is not properly constituted.
Na korwa ensemo yaye omwana siasa Josephat Mose korwa se wodi ya Kemera nigo abwatukire ekerengererio ekiao kubwatekana nugwa kwa isiko kwaba MCA abaiga ikomi
ege korekia rokana ngaba MCA wasere gochikaba MCA ikomi ekikiare tebi chitaringi ya se county ya Nyamira iya bereke wade chisegi kuru mwaka buyeta gotira etwaka gretenga ekero speaker ende ya berere ya takire abantu bale gochamo banyare kubwaterana egase nyare gokoro so ogosaba goito n'abantu banyamira county ayo mu speaker oli gwanya oli libage lyokorera abana inchigasi igo kware wancha samasikania manene mocha mo motige chisegi motige chile 20 chinyinge chiri chiabere gokobo asemana na ya kurumaiga mochamo mokore gasi ekora matukatigete na make miaka yebere tigarete negento kerege ke komia milopora muki ekora mwakonde kameni ya chakire
Hingo ripota Gatembe kurwasa magacho amanene ye bunge ye county ya Nyamira agotoka ime ye ward ya Township West Mugirango Njefa Tigad Yisemba